what do you think or feel is the single biggest misconception that consumers have about what you do?
Price a home. I just got out of a conversation. I'm not here to determine the price of your home. I'm here to educate you and I will advocate for your decision, but I am not here to tell you what exactly to the dime what your house is going to sell for. We are a team when it comes to pricing. I educate, you decide.
I love that, Gary.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah, well, give that the Zorro snap and Z formation there. That was dang.
I said it with that attitude too.
I think also that we control who's going to come look at their house or how many showings they're going to get. Like, what have you done to market my house this week? Like, why hasn't anyone looked or things like that? Like, we can't control the number of showings they're going to get.
And also, they somehow or another think we're magically going to turn some bad feedback if I call them and talk to them long enough into an offer.
Like you're going to change that person's
Yeah.
mind.
Like I can fix that. I'm like, well,
Yeah, like the house smells like broken dreams and cat pee, and like, let me call them and tell them why. And if I explain to them why it smells like that, right, it'll be okay.
yeah, that's not what I do. I mean, that's anyway.
By the way, I just want to point out Broken Dreams and Cat Pee was my stage name when I used to do a Vegas review, but I just want to put that out there.